Hiya, Steve Matthews, Pentagram Motorsport. I just want to do a really quick channel update. We've got some very exciting news. Forgive the fact I've got my hood up, it's absolutely freezing in here. But this is what I wanted to show you. So if I slowly turn around, and you'll have to excuse the mess, the builds are still in at the minute. But I don't know how well you can see that at the back there. It goes quite a way back, and then it goes that way. And all the way to there as well, and there's my roller door. So this is going to be the new home. Once it's finished, it's all getting panelled out and boarded out of Pentagram Motorsport. So in the coming months, over the next year, we're going to have some really good videos. We're going to pull my Lancia Delta to bits properly, do a full restoration project on that. I've got a green Mark III Golf that's going to get a full rebuild as well. So let me quickly show you around. So as you can see, there's a ton of building materials in this corner here. But this is kind of the main entryway here. Obviously that's my Mark VI Golf there. We'll be doing a full service on that at some point very soon. So there's a big roller shutter door there. And so that's the first bay, as it were. And then over here we have what will become sort of the second bay, and it might become a storage area for parts or something over there. And then back here, I don't know how well you can see that, it's quite dark back there. We put loads of lights in and everything. But this goes all the way back as well, so we get another car in there. That's what happens when you muck about with cars. I've got a 10mm spanner in my pocket there. Yeah, I hope you're all keeping well. I hope you stay safe. I hope you've had a good Christmas and New Year, and hopefully we'll get some excellent videos coming out soon. See you soon.